Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this Arkopia freeze-dried smoothie powder. As you can see, it's no fillers, gluten-free, vegan, 25-year shelf life because it's freeze-dried. And if you guys want to read the nutrient panel, pause the video there. That's what's inside, and I'm gonna mix it with some water and just shake it up. That's pretty much it. So, alright, let's open this up. And I got my water right here. Okay, so I opened it. It just smells like pineapple, actually. So let's add it to the water. Alright, so it's all mixed in, and we're going to do a quick taste test right now. So, taste-wise, it's actually pretty good. Pineapple comes through, and the mango comes through pretty good, I think. There's mango in this, right? Yeah. But it's, you can tell it sort of lacks that sort of freshness, but it's actually pretty darn close. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comment below, subscribe to the channel.